everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install MATLAB on your system step by step. Today, we're bridging the gap between complex data and reality by setting up one of the most powerful tools in the world, MATLAB. Whether you're analyzing the patterns of the universe or engineering the future, it all starts with a clean installation. How to install MATLAB 2019. First, download in extract zip file. Open folder. Double-click on Setup to start installation process. Right-click on Setup and click on Run as Administrator. Wait. Open the CRAD folder. Open the README to follow the instruction. Accept the license agreement. Click on Radio Yes. Then Next. Then select the installation key and copy it. Here paste file installation key. Then Next. Then Next. Here select products to ProCP installation. Then click on Next. Then click on Next. Install. Click on I have file installation key from my license. Because the installation process takes time, I pause the video recording. Weighted is based on your computer performance. All steps are available on description section. Then click on Next. Then Finish. Know the time to configure license in the TAP32.dll. For after installation done, copy file in the TAP32.dll. 2. \bin/win64. After copy then the TAP32.dll. Go to MATLAB installation directory /folder. In my case, this PC /local disk C:/program files /polyspace/r 2019a /bin/win64. Paste here in TAP32.dll. In my case, the cracked folder is located on desktop. Select license.lec, then click on Select. Next. Then Finish. As you see here, my software is activated successfully. Now the software is ready.
If this step worked for you, hit that like button so I know we're on the right track. And if you're running into any errors with your license, drop a comment below. I'll be jumping in to help you out.